the best odds and best lines. Sign up now to claim your bonus up to 1,500 cedis. 22Bet. It's time to win.
Hello guys, welcome back to Football Update. Stay tuned, and if you are new here, do subscribe. Open your browser and go to the official 22Bet website, 22bet.com, or download the 22Bet app for Android or iOS from the website. Once on the homepage, locate the registration button, usually at the top right corner of the website or on the app's main page. 22Bet offers two methods for registration. Full registration, fill in personal details such as name, email, and password. Quick registration, you can register with just your phone number or email. Enter the required information, which typically includes first and last name, email address, or phone number, password, country, Ghana. Make sure your details are correct. Select your currency, which would be Ghanaian cedi, GHS, to make transactions easier. Depending on the method you used, 22Bet may send you a confirmation email or SMS to verify your account. Follow the link or code provided to complete the verification. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and confirm you are of legal betting age, 18 plus. After filling in all the details, click the Register button. Once your account is verified, log in and head to the deposit section. Choose a payment method, such as MTN Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, Airtel Tigo, or bank card, and fund your account. With your account funded, you can now explore the available sports events, casino games, and other betting options. Helpful tips: use bonuses. 22. Bet often offers welcome bonuses for new players. Check the promotions page for offers like a first deposit bonus. Check for local laws. Ensure you're aware of betting regulations in Ghana.